Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the branding on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a company and you have a logo, you have company colors, and you have a favicon. How do you actually go ahead and customize your branding on ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the profile icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click on Settings. And then once you click on Settings again on the left-hand side. And then from here, you want to go and scroll all the way down. And then this is where you can enable custom branding. So once you enable a custom branding, you are going to see that you do need to go ahead and upgrade to the enterprise level in order to unlock custom branding. But do know that you have this option here if you do decide to go to the enterprise level. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on custom branding on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.